What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tauheedah Hawkins here. For today's video, guys, we are going to be covering what I would say are kitchen essentials according to Tauheedah. So without further ado, let's get on into it. So when it comes to cleaning produce, I find that the mesh strainer and the colander are absolute essentials. Next up, our measuring devices, our measuring cup, and measuring spoon sets are incredibly helpful when getting those measurements all the way right. Next up, storage containers. Guys, I feel like you can never have enough of these. I feel like the mandolin slicer is absolutely the best thing since sliced bread. Just all the different settings you can have, whether it's thin, medium, or thick inserts that you're using, they absolutely help get the job done. Just be super careful with these things, guys. I remember speaking to a buddy of mine who sliced her hand pretty bad, so be careful. All right, so next up, veggie chopper. Guys, this is super helpful to just kind of lessen the amount of time that you take to cut your veggies and dice and chop and all that stuff. Good to have. All right, a saucepan, 1 quart, 3 quarts is good too. Obviously, the more you have, the easier it is. Stock pot as well, 10.5 quart is really helpful for your soups, your stews, and that kind of thing. And next up, the skillet, 8 inches is a little on the smaller side. The wok, a little bit bigger, 13 inches, definitely helps get a lot of those stir-fry dishes underway. Cookie sheet, a 10 by 15, also really good to have for obvious reasons. All right, a casserole dish, about 5 quart is a definite must. The mason jar, absolutely essential. A crock pot or even a pressure cooker would work too. Cutting boards, guys, this is like the holy grail. And being a vegan, your use of lemons may go up, so having a squeezer definitely helps. Peelers also shave off so much time. Its versatility of the silicone spatulas is endless. You gotta have those, and the bamboo wood spoon sets, super useful. Gotta have a reasonably priced knife block set. Most knife block sets do have a sharpener right within them. If not, just hop on Amazon, grab yourself one. Having finger guards absolutely help protect those fingers when you're chopping away. Having both a blender and a food processor is also incredibly helpful. Much like the mandolin slicer and the veggie chopper, I feel like graters just absolutely help get the job done quicker. The KitchenAid and all of its attachments can get a little costly, but if you do a lot of baking, it's worth it. If you like the idea of making your own fresh juice at home, I think this is a good investment. If you love fried food, just minus all the grease, get an air fryer. Sometimes I like that griddle feel on my sandwich, and the panini grill definitely gets the job done. So if you juice, you definitely want to put them somewhere, so having juicing containers is great. And of course, meal prep containers are really cool to have everything kind of segmented off. I think it just kind of keeps you focused and on top of your A game when you're prepping your meals.